The LevTop T1S is all set to launch with features that will leave you amazed. The wait is almost over. The latest generation being introduced uses a portable design that ensures top performance and portability. It, with the battery, only weighs 250 grams. Most of the countries do not require any registration. It is easy to use. Once you connect the drone to the app on your phone and the drone's Wi-Fi is connected, it just takes one click for the drone to take off. It comes with an added camera at the bottom, the best-looking aerial shots from overlook lens, affording a different view of the landscape. There are 5.8 Gs for your optional that give a distance of 500 meters. With a removable 1100 milliamp 3S battery, it can fly for 20 minutes. When battery lower, it returns from where it took off. The newest version has the latest Sony camera with an 8MP 120-degree field of view camera, which produces perfect shots, just like a bird's eye, to see the world from a different perspective. Just tap Follow Me, help you free your hands from the controller. In addition to that, the 4 brushless motors power the drone with a maximum speed of 22 kilometers per hour, GPS technology, and GLONASS for satellite navigation to make the flying more accurate. You can take clear and full HD shots and videos with a 1080p camera, allowing you to seize the moment. Share high-definition pictures on your social media. Explore a new destination with the perfect travel companion. LevTop. Thank you for watching.